Hello everyone, we are Group 23. Our group team name is OSM, Outsourcing and Service Management, comprising of Oliver, Shitri, and Mariam, which is our group member's name. We have reviewed an article produced by Gartner named How to Realize Cost Saving After Migrating to the Cloud, which is published on 26th of August 2019 by Stuart Buchanan. Stuart Buchanan is a research VP in Gartner's CIO team with 31 years industry experience. He's focusing on the economics of digital technologies in the enterprise. As an IT strategy consultant, he helped many well-known organizations to measure, plan, purchase, recharge, and improve value for money information services. Writing this article, his goal is to inform organizations such as OSBank and CIO teams about the cost reductions possible when migrating to the cloud. Further in this video, my teammates will tell you more details about the article and how it can help organizations like OSBank.
Thank you, Rosa. Before we talk about the relevance of the article to OSBank, let's quickly review the current situation in OSBank. As you know, OSBank is an Australian bank that provides retail banking, lending, and wealth management services to its 16 million customers. The bank's investment in IT is critical for generating business value in the form of profit. OSBank is responsible for their own IT services at the moment as decreed by OSBank IT. It has been made clear that there are two main areas of improvement, the first of which is the fact that the servers are currently running at capacity, which is making them unable to meet growing demand efficiently and effectively. And the other one is the processes for planning, designing, transitioning, integrating, operating, and improving IT service provision are neither efficient nor effective. This article from Gartner is then relevant to OSBank because if they are to outsource IT services like ERP and CRM, which are mainly cloud-based solutions, managing the costs as well as ensuring maximum optimizations of these services should be taken into consideration. Mr. Buchanan has three recommended focus areas for IT organizations to realize IT cost optimization after migrating to the cloud. These are demand management, provider management, and financial management. Demand management. If ERP or CRM are to be migrated into cloud, it is important for OSBank IT to negotiate with business users to manage demand, allowing opportunities to fully utilize account subscriptions, leading to savings. Provider management. OSBank has to establish flexible contractual agreements, ensuring they are not locked to a particular supplier for a long period of time. This would allow them to switch provider if the costs or risks increase above the value of the service. Financial management. OSBank must effectively and rigorously define budgeting and accounting anomalies, making sure that they have financial measures in place, and then double-checking the business cases and migration plans to realize anticipated cost saving. As cloud-based technology is usually offering on-demand self-service options to its customers, my team member Srishti will discuss what does it entail and how it is also relevant to OSBank.
Thank you, Ollie. One of the main things we need to consider is the concept of on-demand self-service. What is it, you may ask? Well, Harding C defines it as the ability of customers to be able to obtain cloud services at the infrastructure, platform, or application level whenever they want without requiring significant assistance in his book, Cloud Computing for Business. This ensures that consumers can set up their services to be tailored to their requirements and needs without the need for significant support through the use of a well-written, easily accessible, and user-friendly online system. This means that computing capacities such as server time and network storage can be provided unilaterally to the customer without the need of human interaction with the supplier of each service. This attribute of cloud computing allows flexibility in terms of the subscribers having the ability to pick and choose and adjust relevant components of the cloud as and when it is required by the business. As an example, unlike the traditional ERP, cloud-based ERP can be configured on demand and maintained and replicated rapidly, which leads to a much better utilization of the computing infrastructure. This in turn will lead to lower upfront and operational costs. OSBank is currently facing the problem of having limited storage space and looking into outsourcing as a solution for it, as described by Ollie earlier. As such, the concept of on-demand self-service can be implemented and managed for the case of Osbank, if in the event the ERP application was to be outsourced in terms of the degrees of scalability in various areas. The article proposes that Osbank IT utilize on-demand self-service in order to optimize costs when they decide to migrate to the cloud as a means for outsourcing, hence progressing in one of their identified areas for improvement.
Thanks, Chitri. Now we have two questions from you. First is that if you are a CIO, what are the things you would consider before approving a cloud-based business case or project? Second is that in your opinion, what are the criteria to choose the right cloud provider? So now this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching. We are looking forward to see your responses on it. Bye.